Look, not everyone wants to load up on a heavy barbell or mess with fancy programs. Sometimes you just want to walk in, use a machine, get the job done. And honestly, that works if you do it right. Here's how. Good afternoon. My name is Josh. I'm a certified fitness trainer and military veteran, and this is Strong and Simple Fit, where I help busy people lose fat, build strength, and stay consistent without the gym bro nonsense. Let's get into it. The first two exercises are going to be compound exercises. The first one is the leg press. Do 5 sets of 5 reps per leg. Why? Because single leg press helps fix imbalances and build strength one side at a time. Just go slow, don't cheat to death. Next up, slowing things down and making things hurt, but in a good way. Hack squat. 3 sets of 5 reps with a 5-second pause at the bottom. These teach control and power. That pause at the bottom, yeah, it's rough, but your legs will thank you later. Trust me. Alright, enough said. Now, let's chase that pump and hit the muscles people forget about. Hip thrust hits the glutes hard, especially the glute max. Don't rush it, squeeze at the top like you're trying to crack a walnut. From there, hit 2 machines people love to skip. The adductor and the abductor. 3 sets of 15 reps each. These help with hip strength and knee stability. Most people skip them, but if you want better balance, stability, and knee health, don't. Drop a comment and tell me which leg exercise machine is your favorite. Now, let's hit the classics: quads, hams, calves. Leg extension, 3 sets of 15 reps each. This one is straight to the point, all quads, control the lift, squeeze at the top. Seated leg curls, 3 sets of 15 reps each. The seated leg curl is good for your hamstrings, so keep your butt down and control the weight. And yeah, train calves too. No one wants to have baby calves in shorts. So do standing and seated calf raises, 3 sets of 15 reps each. If you want strong legs, don't skip these. Bottom line up front, you don't need crazy equipment or complicated plans. This leg day is functional, simple, and actually builds results, especially if you're just getting started or getting back into it. See you next video.